Good morning. Just a quick video to help you out with your word work for today. If you look at the word work section, what it asks you to do is it asks you to use the words on page 20, which is where we've been working. There, it's our cycle 19 word list, but it wants you to use the sight words. Sorry, I don't have the sight. Wants you to use the sight words. So that list of sight words that's right there to play a game with them. So you have the words again, around, by, could, does, knew, KNEW, like I knew something, um, or, and would. So I want you to use those words, put them on cards, and then place them on the ground and hop from card to card. When you land on a word, you are going to say the word. Your exact directions. Let me read them. Create word cards with one sight word on each card. Um, tap the card, tape the cards on the floor that allows enough room to hop like a frog or jump from word to word. Read each sight word, then hop to the next card. Okay, you can do this with a brother or sister and have fun with this game. And just make your cards you could use index cards. You can cut little slips of paper. You could use sticky notes if you have that around the house. So, whatever you can to make these little cards for these words. And again, please look at the list of the sight words to practice with those words. You could also add words from your other word list too, the words that you've been working on earlier this week. This is something fun that you can do and incorporate lots of different words into it. Okay. So have a good time with this today. You could, you know what? You could even go outside, write the words on the concrete with sidewalk chalk, and then jump from word to word. That would be a cool activity as well. Hope you guys enjoy it and have a great weekend.